At least 15 migrant workers returning to Madhya Pradesh were killed and one injured when a goods train ran over them at Aurangabad in Maharashtra early this morning on the Aurangabad-Jalna railway line, according to a media report. The labourers who had been walking along the railway tracks reportedly fell asleep due to exhaustion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that he is anguished by the loss of lives in the Maharashtra train accident. Extremely anguished by the loss of lives due to the rail accident in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Have spoken to the Railway Minister, Shri Piyush Goyal, and he is closely monitoring the situation. All possible assistance required is being provided, PM Modi tweeted today. Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar today announced that he will bear travel expenses of stranded Uripok residents coming from Guwahati to Imphal. He was inspecting the Trade and Expo Centre at Lamboy Khongangkhong in Imphal, designated as quarantine centre for Uripok constituency by the state government. The tally of COVID-19 cases in India crossed 56,000. The death toll reached 1,886, with the most fatalities in Maharashtra at 651, followed by Gujarat. Delhi, on the other hand, is likely to see a peak in coronavirus cases in June or July, said the doctor heading the Coronavirus Response Committee formed by the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, India has identified 4 dedicated COVID-19 hospitals to be a part of Solidarity, the World Health Organization's or WHO's international clinical trial to help find an effective treatment for the novel coronavirus. A couple sustained injuries following a road mishap that took place near Kaishamthong, Hodam Lerak Machin on Tidim Road this morning at around 10:30 a.m. The couple, Maitram Anand and his wife, Maitram Ranjita of Kaishampat, Laimajam Laikai, were travelling on a scooter when it collided with a speeding car. They were taken to Raj Medicity, North AOC for medical treatment, the report said. A new outlet of Pawoibi Enterprises was opened at Haijingang New Market Shed near Manipur University main gate. Coordinating body, Kurai, spokesperson Bon Kurai inaugurated the outlet. A self-styled Lieutenant Colonel of NSCN-R was arrested by a combined team of 37th Assam Rifles posted at Zuribam's Kadamtala and Assam Police during a joint search operation at Ramgaizang village under Jirighat police station yesterday. The arrested has been identified as PG Jonathan, alias Jonah, aged 37 years, hailing from Dimajanglong, Te Lamdan, under Churachandpur district of Manipur, a report said.